And welcome back to Local 3 News. 906 Weather Watchers here. Snuck in some sunshine today in Delta County. 906 Weather Watchers, Marianne Bowers-Taylor of NAMA sending that in. Looks like she's got a woodpecker hanging out at the bird feeder there. Thanks, Marianne, for sending that in. And then going back to last night, I got to show this photo here. Beautiful photo from the Munising area. Kevin Dunham sending this in. As always, thank you, Kevin, for sending in your awesome photos. If you'd like to join our 906 Weather Watchers page on Facebook, it's easy. Feel free to join. Search it out on Facebook. Check it out. We'd love to show off photos like these during WJMN Local 3 News. Get you the 3 things to know here. It will be turning colder Saturday night on into Sunday. And this isn't going to be Arctic cold. Yes, you're going to need the winter coats, but this is not Arctic cold, and overall, no big winter chill. It's remaining locked north of 60 degrees latitude, and there's really no signs of it coming southward anytime soon. In fact, by this point next week, there's increasing likelihood we could be looking at temperatures like we're seeing now for this point next week or the later part of next week. For the weekend, for most of us, it's rain on Saturday, but as we progress through the weekend, it is going to be going to snow. High temperatures today we're in the 40s to even right around 50. Menominee checking in at 51. Downtown Marquette at the U.S. Coast Guard 45. Same for Marquette Sawyer. 46 for Houghton. Got 45 for Ironwood today. Munising checking in at 46. Official numbers today at the National Weather Service in Negaunee Township. We were a little bit short of a record high today. 41 was today's high, 34 was the low, but still well above average. Even in the low temperature department, well above average. Usually our normal low should be 16, and the record that still stands for this date today was 44, and as you can see, we were just a little bit short. So let's fire up our clouds and precipitation forecast here. You can see the rain coming in from the south, moving north late tonight. Could see some rain showers move into the south central UP, and then as we get you into the daytime on Saturday here, you can see shortly after lunch, it is a soaking rain central and eastern UP. Could, though, start to see some wintry precipitation west of Marquette, but it's not expected to really add up to much, and I'll talk about that here in just a second, reason being the temperatures. But as colder air starts to come on in, we'll start to see those rain showers change to more snow showers, and then we'll have some lake effect snow as we get you to Sunday. As for our snowfall forecast here, nothing by tomorrow afternoon here, and then you can see the numbers starting to add up a little bit here as we go into Saturday night on into Sunday. But by Sunday afternoon, sure, some lake effect snow belts out west. You may need the shovel, but we're not looking at really locally heavy accumulation here as we go through Saturday night on into Sunday. And then we'll take you to Monday morning here. You can see the numbers maybe adding up just a tad bit more. Reason being, here are the temperatures. Tonight, look for temperatures to be in the 30s later on, and then they're not going to go far as we go into tomorrow afternoon. 30s, perhaps some 40s in the eastern UP. That's why when you saw that wintry precipitation, this is why it's not really going to add up to much tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures still remaining above freezing. And then watch what happens Saturday night on into Sunday here. Here comes your colder air, and then we're looking for colder temperatures. Not Arctic cold, but colder. You're going to need the winter coat type temperatures as we go into your Sunday afternoon. As for the wind, a little bit of a break from the wind tonight, and then tomorrow some gusty winds. But by the time we get to Saturday night on into Sunday, we're looking at colder gusty winds that could gust over 30 miles per hour. Our community forecast. For the Copper Country, we're looking at low temperatures tonight in the 30s, and they're not going to go far tomorrow. Temperatures pretty much staying steady in the 30s. As we get you into the interior west and along the Michigan-Wisconsin border, we'll have low temperatures tonight in the lower 30s, and then as you can see, high temperatures along the Michigan-Wisconsin border and the interior west pretty much stay in the upper 30s or not go far, pretty much mid to upper 30s. Across the south central UP and near Lake Michigan, low temperatures tonight in the 30s. High temperatures approaching the 40-degree mark for your Saturday. And then as we move into the eastern UP here, we'll have low temperatures tonight in the 30s. And then high temperatures tomorrow will be in the lower 40s as we take you into Alger County here. Look for low temperatures tonight in the low to mid 30s. And then as you can see, temperatures tomorrow afternoon for your Saturday in the mid to upper 40s. And then, upper 30s to around 40. And then for the interior sections of Marquette County, we'll have low temperatures tonight, lower to perhaps middle 30s, highs tomorrow, upper 30s. Higher terrain in Marquette County, west of Marquette, we'll see temperatures tonight that will be falling into the lower, perhaps middle 30s, highs tomorrow, mid to upper 30s. And then along the Marquette County Lakeshore along 550, including the city of Marquette, we'll have low temperatures tonight that will be in the 30s. High temperatures tomorrow, not going far, in the upper 30s to perhaps right around 40.